Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer reviews from Etsy to your Shopify website. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Shopify admin panel. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Apps section in the left sidebar. Click on Visit Shopify App Store at the top right. In the search bar, type Etsy Reviews. Find an app that supports transferring Etsy reviews to Shopify. Click on the app to view its details. Read the app description and check user ratings. Click on the Add App button to install it on your store. Follow any prompts to confirm installation. Once installed, go back to your Shopify admin panel. Open the newly added app from your apps list. Log in to your Etsy account when prompted. Grant the app permission to access your Etsy reviews. Navigate to the section within the app that allows you to import reviews. Select the products from your Etsy shop that you want to transfer reviews for. Initiate the import process, which may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, review the imported reviews for accuracy. Go back to your Shopify store and navigate to the product pages. Check that the reviews have appeared as expected. Make any necessary adjustments to the display settings within the app. Customize how the reviews look on your Shopify store to match your branding. Test the customer experience by viewing your store as a visitor. Once satisfied, your Etsy reviews are now ready for your Shopify customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.